again, and it's Christmas again. So another dish for Christmas. This one is quite special. I love it. I love the smell of it. I love the texture of it. I love everything about it. And it's duck. To start with, and the secret, the little secret about it is this little jar. Is 7 spice, Thai 7 spice. What we do with it, we wrap the duck with this, nicely patting it all around the side, and then just put it in the oven, 180 degree for 3 hours. I've put mine about 2.5 hours ago or so, so it's nearly there. As you can see, it's really nice brown there, getting crispy and crispier. So we'll leave that one there, and we'll do what's coming with it next. Right, this is the bit of the magic. Look how beautiful is that. Nice, crispy, just what the doctor ordered. And of course you will know that it's cooked if you just look, it's just coming apart. All of it is coming apart. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Can you hear it? Beautiful. Right. So while we wait for this to relax a bit, we're gonna add bits and pieces for it. So some fresh coriander, few mint leaves, some chili, not much, half, third, if it's that. All of it, and we put it here. Fresh lemon, squeeze in some soy sauce, and the mighty olive oil. Give it a good stir and leave it there. Now then, come back to my duck. You can see how easy to lift this. Look at that. So easy. 2 forks and try to... Oh, I love the smell of this. It absolutely makes me hungry. Look at that. Throw it in. No mercy. And do it in the juices of the and the fat of the duck as you're doing it, to pick up some of the flavors. You know what? I love my job. I absolutely love my job. And there is plenty meat in there left. But for the purpose of today, we're gonna just mix all this here. Then we've got some cups here, tortilla cups in here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take some fresh, crispy iceberg salad in here, and yummy. Nice, if I may say so. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed watching me doing it. Looking forward to get your feedback when you make it, and let us know, but I'm pretty sure you will love it. Enjoy it.